making a cheap firework. The plan is. So,
can you just warn the kids at home about safety, David?
Yeah.
Don't try this at home.
Basically, just don't do it at home, basically. All of us,
What's welding rods going to do?
they're going to stick in the ground and hold it in place. So we get enough heat generated to send it sky high. Got to stuff the box with paper so it can ignite it. Basically all we need to do is just light it and run like fuck.
Oh, you're not going to print it in that, are you?
Yep. So it'll burn through. And it will inject up and slight issue with lighting the fire at the minute.
That's not, it's not going to work, Dave. I'm telling you now. They'll not be taped together now, either, will they?
No, I should have used wire to be fair. No go first.
Oh! Did they both go?
No, only one that went.
The guy that one might have gone off and the other one that way was plugged in.
No, paper collapsed on it like choose wire press.
Whoa!